So nothing too new on Hangtime track-wise. The chain looks, the anti-rollback is on the lift hill, but more supports than anything, not really any new track pieces in. So this support right here is going to be the start of the crazy looking Airtime hill that's right there. I'm looking forward to that. So they're starting to get a foundation in for the station and the block section. So there's the drive chairs and the beginning of the chain lift system. So the beginnings of the lift and the anti-rollbacks are going in. Looks like they're going to be electromagnets for the rollback, which makes complete sense. There's a better look at all the supports that they have. Looks like most of them are in on the drop side. So they probably are putting in the inversion soon.